It's time to harvest my 80-day spring potatoes. So I planted 5 potatoes in this large pot. I was hoping for it to go over 90 days, but because of our shift in temperature, they're not used to the warmer weather. So they kind of died earlier than expected. But that's okay. So the 5 varieties I planted in this pot is Red Rascal, Ruby Lou, Royal Blue, and Delaware. But anyway, let's see what we got. I think my best plant was the Red Rascal, and as we can see, we got quite a few spuds here. This is actually a store-bought potato, which I didn't have any planted in my winter crop, but these were the ones stored away that we didn't get to finish, and it ended up sprouting, so I decided to plant it. These are pretty good size for 80 days. And the soil's a bit dry, so it's a bit cleaner. And for those who want me to tip the pot out, forgive me, but I like harvesting it this way. It's like doing it this way, it actually feels like I'm digging for treasure. And I'm starting to lose sunlight here. It was like 5 PM, but here's what we got. And yeah, as we can see, I had to keep dragging and dragging along to take pictures and catch up to the sunlight, but here we are. We got a nice harvest. My first guess was actually 4 kilos, and I actually got it on the dot. It was exactly 4 kilos. And yeah, with the dirt a bit drier, these came out a lot cleaner. Also, that one was a Red Rascal, and Ruby Lou has pink eyes, pink reddish eyes on him. So that's the difference between them. Anyways, thanks for watching and happy gardening.